Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Here I am with another amazing recipe, Flourless Pancakes and Bites in Airfryer and Stovetop. Super easy and tasty weight loss food option. Rich in protein and gluten free. You can enjoy these with curries, pickles or alone. Tastes so delicious like an omelette. Each pancake will be around 80 calories, 7.2 grams of protein. Let's get started. I'm going to use 4 ounce tofu. Slice tofu into pieces. Mix it around half a cup. Grind once with little water. Now add 1 egg. Add half a teaspoon pepper powder. Half a teaspoon salt. Grind to smooth paste. The batter consistency will be like this, not too loose. Add a little butter in airfryer safe pizza pan or tray. Spread with brush. Pour half of the tofu batter. Shake it gently to spread evenly. Take the airfryer basket. If you want, you can use rack at the bottom to take out pan easily. Airfry at 370 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Flip halfway. Tastes so delicious like an omelette. Hard to believe it has tofu. You can as well try with small pancakes in air fryer. Let's see tofu bites. Add 1 drop of oil or butter in bites mold. Add the batter. Shake gently to level up evenly. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Flip halfway. How nice these bites are, perfect in shape and texture. Enjoy these delicious bites. Here is the Stovetop way. Heat the pan. Add little butter. It's optional. Pancakes still come good without oil or butter. Spread with brush. Brushing helps to use very little oil. Pour tofu batter to make small pancakes. Cover with lid. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Comparatively, you can make more pancakes at one go in pan, plus takes less time. Try these varieties, you will definitely love them. For bites, you can try donut pan or this kind of pan on Stovetop. Hope you enjoy my tofu recipe. Eat healthy and stay healthy. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.